can see there is a lot of hidden rubbish that is also going on. And that I would also like to say about the rapes that are happening in our constituency on daily basis. And हे जे रेप जाता हे आमची भुरगीं, आमचे वाड्यावयली, आमचे गांवांतली, हेंका थ्रेटन करून रेप जाता एवरी डे. पूण हे सांगपाक तेंका लॉस दिसता. दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू कंप्लेन अबाउट दिस, कित्याक तेंका थ्रेटन करता लोक. डोंट कंप्लेन, बट दिस इज वॉट वन ऑफ द फ्रूट ऑफ दिस ट्री इट इज. आनी हे हांव तुमचे मुखार कित्याक हाडटा, तुमकां उगडास आसतलो. हे ओडीपी जाला इन द इयर 2017. And why is 2017 important today? Because 2017 was the year of the last assembly election. आणि जेन्ना आमी local citizens, concerned citizens of Kandoli, Kalangut and all over Goa was shouting against the ODP, आमी तेन्ना सांगलेले हे सगळे जावपाचे हा म्हूण because of ODP. जोगडी जावपाची हा, prostitution येतले, लाईट आसचे ना, हे आमी सांगून दवरलेले लोकांक. बट people made a choice and brought that local MLA Michael Lobo, निवडून तेका हाडलो लास्टाक, इतले सांगूनय. आनी आयज आमी हाय हुय कोत्ता, पूण फायदो कितें? ते म्हणणें आसा कोंकणीन, आयज म्हाका फाल्यां तुका. आयज सोजोलोबोक जाला ऑलरेडी, तेका 3 फावटी जाला. नायक फॅमिलीक जाल्ले आहा. आमचो टर्न केन्ना येतलो कोणाक सांगूंक जायना. लास्ट टायम कलंगूटच्या गांवांत कामत हॉटेला भायर थिंगा 2 जाणांक दवरलेले विथ गन्स. उगडास हा विथ गन्स. तेन्ना आमी हो मेमोरंडम काडलेलो, दिस मेमोरंडम. आनी ह्या मेमोरंडमान आमी सिरियस मॅटर म्हूण आमी पुलीस स्टेशनान दिल्ले, सगळे पुलीस स्टेशनान, अंजुना, म्हापसा आनी कलंगूटच्या पुलीस स्टेशनान. त्या भायर आमी DGPच्या ऑफिसान हे मेमोरंडम दिल्ले. त्या भायर CMाकूय दिल्लो, कित्याक ही इज द होम मिनिस्टर. आनी तितून आमचे माग आतां ही जावन आसा फळां. वी कॉल देम फ्रुट्स. बट फ्रुट्स ऑफ वॉट एंड वीच आर द डिफरंट फ्रुट्स वी वूड लायक टू टेल. आमच्या गांवांत सद्याक नॉट ओनली गन्स, नॉट ओनली वेपन्स, नॉट ओनली असले दादागिरी, बट देर आर अदर फ्रूट ऑल्सो विच आर ग्रोईंग. एक म्हणल्यार प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन चालू हा, ड्रग्स चालू हा, गॅम्बलिंग चालू हा. एंड हे फ्रूट जाताना वॉट इज द कॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज फ्रुट्स? हे जे फ्रूट हे आमकां फळां दितात ते झाड खंयचे? आनी हेच आमी आयज तुमकां आपयला सांगपाक. वी एज गोंयचो स्वाभिमान पार्टी relate and say that the ODP outline development plan of Kandoli Kalangut, which was made in the year 2017, is the root of all this evil that has entered into our constituency and into our villages. The evil that has come through this ODP is not only these kind of gang wars and law and order situation, but we have prostitution, drugs. In addition to that, we are suffering, the people of Kalangut and Kandoli are suffering without electricity every day. There is no water for us to drink. We are not able to drive our cars properly on the road or our vehicles. On daily basis there are accidents here. And these are what we can see. This force, because season is coming, zogdi जावपाचे हा ते जातलेत, but at least there should be the police to control this म्हूण आमी लेटर दिल्ले, मेमोरंडम. पूण हो मेमोरंडम गोडेक तेंच्यांनी डस्टबिनान उडयल्लो आहा आनी तेका लागून आयज हे सगळे घडटा आमच्याच गांवांत आनी आमी रडटा हिंगा. सोजा लोबोची गोडणी जाल्या उपरांत आता PI नोलास्कोक ट्रान्सफर केला. What is the use? What is the use? He has been suspended. But what is the use? By bringing another officer, are the guns going to disappear from Kandoli Kalangut? Is the prostitution going to stop? Are our children, our wives, our mothers going to be out of the risk of being raped? Is our electricity going to come back? Is our water going to come back? This is a question that remains unanswered. The answer is, in the upcoming elections in 2022, आमकां सगल्यांक आनी एक चान्स आसा. ह्या चान्सान तुवें वोट करूंक जाय, पूण चिंतून वोट मारूंक जाय. वी डोंट वॉन्ट द सेम सिच्युएशन टू कंटिन्यू इन कलंगूट. सद्याक परिस्थिती पावल्ली आहा that we have been suggested to even legalize our dance bars. Tomorrow they will say legalize prostitution. आमी हुई म्हूण वयता हे सगळे घेवन. सो वो चान्स परत आमकां येतलो इन 22. तेन्ना आयज आमी सगल्यांक आमंत्रण करता, प्लीज चिंतात तुमी कसल्या लोकांक भितर हाडटा आनी तेजी परिस्थिती कितें जातले फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years हे चिंतपाची गरज आहा. आयचो मेन मुद्दो म्हटल्यार वी आर टीम Roshan Matthias of Kalangut constituency, and we also have executive members, core members of our party, which is Goincha Swabiman Party. We used to be Goincha Awaz, we are now Goincha Swabiman Party, a registered political group in India. आयज आमी निषेध मागता मेन म्हटल्यार जो आमी 3 काय 4 दीस पयलीं आमी सगळ्यांनी आयकला आनी हाय हुई केला आमी रिगार्डिंग द अटॅक ऑन आवर आयकॉनिक सोजा लोबो रेस्टॉरंट इन कलंगूट. We will not be doing full Goa because we are a new party and we will be contesting few seats, not all 40. आमचे कितें आसता, our party and our NGO, तुमी जाणा आसतले, we are always for the people of Goa. We don't want to cheat them. Best as someone I'm putting 40 and then trying to create an excitement and don't do those things is not what we are interested in. We have been known for our integrity, and that is why the word amka ye party now pasun miyala, it's a miracle, it's a blessing. We had applied as Goincha Awaz party, but the BJP government planted 2 fellows to put objection for us, and they objected to our name Goincha Awaz and they asked for alternate name. Then amka wo now fawo zala, and Swabiman is the Swabiman that we keep for Goa. It's a very blessed name we have got as Goincha Swabiman Party. Self-respect.
Captain Biriato, who was face of Goincha Awaz, has joined another political party.
Yes.
What are your comments on this?
See, it's a personal decision that Captain felt he needed to leave. And as I just said, Goincha Swabiman Party, and as hardcore training that we have got through Goincha Awaz, it has always been Goa and the people first. When we looked at the Dabolim constituency, our main focus is to throw again a man that is being creating havoc for the state of Goa. He has nationally shamed us at the GST meetings, etc. He has made a fool of himself and of us, and that is none other than Movin Gudino. So to beat him, Captain felt that a Congress ticket was better for him, so we let go. This is all done not because we were very happy with the decision, but for the sake of Goa, we had to take this decision.